Hello friends, myself Mitesh Ajit Save and my presentation topic is work from home for the subject of organizational behavior. What is work from home? Work from home refers to an office at home. In most cases, the term refers to the workplace of an employee who previously worked in a traditional office. More and more frequently, those the offices of freelancers and self-employed individuals in their private homes are also being included under the term. Work from home describes work being done remotely instead of an office. The work from home is used as a nickname for the concept. Many organizations transitional their employees from the office to a work from home model during the coronavirus global pandemic. How to work from home successfully? Traditionally, work is done in an office, a business function in a physical workspace, and work-related tasks are completed by employee at the office itself. This is changing with the progression of digital transformation as software capability become more complex and business process come to rely on them. More companies for finding that many of their employees are no longer bounded by a physical workplace in order to work effectively. Instead, telecommuting and working from home can be just an efficient. Businesses can have a successful work from home workforce if employees are equipped with the right hardware and software tools to perform their stake. The organization has a digital adoption solution to enable its employees to negative utilize and adapt their software. Managers and company leaders have access to software insight to access software ROI, business success, and the digital employee experience. What is the impact of work from home? To try to give more flexibility to workers, companies are increasingly allowing their employees to work from home. In addition to improving work life balance, working from home may reduce company rent cost and employee turnover and also benefit communities by lowering computer congestion and emissions. Coronavirus and work from home. For many, coronavirus put work on hold. Employees and business owners of many industries could not transition to work from home model for many services providers. However, coronavirus has pushed them to utilize technology further and address how they can effectively continuous to work and function. Those digital adoption is a key factor in determining how quickly and effectively a company can function very virtually. Advantages of work from home. First, work home balance. Many of us, especially women, feel is very difficult to maintain a balance between work and home. Moms have so much more responsibilities, so doing work from home may help them to coordinate the work with managing home. No trial. The traveling is probably the most hardest part of going to office. No matter your office is near or far, you have to go out, be stuck in traffic, and bear the hurt or cloud outside. Less stress since you do not have to differentiate between the family time and the office time. you are less stressful. You can work whenever your house chores are done, whenever you have sent your kids school or put them to sleep. More family time. As such, you can spend more time with the family. You are working at the case of your home, so you need not to worry doing your work just then. You can work whenever you are free, thus given you more family time. You can be closer to your family and can participate in every family event. Disadvantage of work from home. First, isolation. Since you are working from home, you are isolated from your colleagues and boss. As such, you always would be the last person know about any changes or any task. Sometimes they do not keep you in loop. Distractions. Since being a homemaker is a full-time job already, working from home may cause many distractions. You have to attend guests, cook food and clean home. Maybe you get too much involved in homework that you do not get time to complete the office work. Endless work. Since already said, being a homemaker is a full-time job. If you bring your office at a home to, then there will be no office hours too. You will have to work day and night. Those who go to office, they leave office will leaving office, but you may not leave office anytime. Conclusion. In conclusion, working from home should be encouraged because the advantages overcome the disadvantage. Office has no longer been the only workplace since many people are considering working from home. Some may argue the majority of employees should change their workplace from office to home. Thank you.